Alright, hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you a program that is used to manage student records. To begin with, in our code, we imported some libraries here that help us to input and output, uh, scan, print, and also manage memory allocations. Here, at first, we created this, defined the length, and then each field we are giving it the maximum number of characters to be input. Then we created a structure for a student to capture the name, date, registration, program code, and annual tuition, and then we allocated them with these maximum length fields. Uh, to continue, we created the print menu, and this will help to print and prompt a user to enable him or her to select a number and take him to that function, to that category. I want to up want to update a student, view a student, or delete. Uh, Another function here is to add a student, and when you want to add a student, it should prompt you, uh, the user, to input the name and also save it while it's checking the maximum length, and also doing them on the other fields. We created here another function to help you view a student. After adding a student, you can be able to view him, or view all the students. If the student's not there, it prints no students found. Uh, Another function is to update a student. If the student is not there, it prints that there's no students found. Uh, Now here on the updating the student, we are going to update each student basing on the registration number, and this is the, fun- the code that helps you to up to check for the student number, and then brings out that that the fields for that student. If then again it prints out the details of the students so that you can update them. To continue here, this function, another function, is to delete a student. If the student is not there, means no student found. And again we delete each student basing on the registration number. Uh, Now there is this fgets function. It's the one that gets that registration number from the registration length field in that memory our where we saved our the registration number, and then we you can be able to delete that student. Now you can also search the student using this function. If the student is not there, again press not student found. uh, then when you go on the sorting students, here we are going to use an if statement. uh, At first, you can sort using the student's name, and then the second using the student registration number. Now, here, this this choose sort is the one that helps you to look for the students, students, student's name, and then helps you to sort the names, uh, and then prints that after sorting the student, it prints that the student has been sorted. Um, the last function here is the one that exports our file to a CSV, our records to a CSV file. Here we are going to use also an if condition to help us write the students in that file. So here, this CSV file is going to capture all the records, and then it stores them, and after it will print exported successfully, and the and the, and the records will be saved the students the CSV file. After doing all those functions, you shall call them using the main function. And the main function here, you're going to use cases. You are going to create cases, and the cases, these are created using the switch, and then there you put in the choice. Choices are the ones that are the cases. If you want to add a student, this is the code that helps you. And now, after after that, it will prompt to you here. Please enter the number between 1 and 8. Like, you put in the number of choice you want. If you want up to add a student, you put in choice 1. If you want to be a student, you put in choice 2, and then it will just call in the other functions up here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.